I walk my way to a healthier me. To get into my best shape, I do fitness walk around our neighborhood and to the nearby parks. On this fortunate day, while walking myself healthy, while walking myself strong, while walking myself happy and smart, I chanced upon a bird. So I stopped my fitness walk for a few minutes and started bird watching. Come and join me. So here I don't know what kind of bird is this, but let me just take a shot and see what it will do. Right now it's just walking. Oh. And I'm lucky because it's heading a bit towards me, so I'm able to get a good view. Let me try to move a little bit forward. Yeah, that's it. Yes. I wonder what kind of bird is this. It's brown. And let me see if I can get a close up. Yes. You see guys, it's difficult to get some B-roll shots all by yourself. But as I do my late afternoon walks, I decided to take a lot of B-roll shots to see how I am improving. So it's like hitting two birds, one stone. Hitting two birds with one stone. Moving far away, let me see if I can move towards it without it flying. There. I wonder if the bird is feeling lost or something because now the bird is joined by another one. Now this is interesting. Okay. You can now see there are two birds on the ground. Oops. There they are. That's the original one. And the other one is at the back.
wonder what they are doing. There. There's the other one. The other one is walking far away, and there it goes. I hope I catch that one. This is the second bird. I have to say bye-bye to you, bird, because I need to go continue with my walk.